Thank God it's Saturday, everyone. So, attend kami ng The Feast dito sa Perth, Western Australia. So, nauna lang yung mag-ina ko kasi on call tayo sa work. So, they need to be there early. So, nauna sila. So, sunod ako. So, tahimik naman. Walang issue, walang on-call ako. So pag may issue kasi sa work, pag ako yung assigned na on-call, tatawagan ako pag mga meron high priority issues. Pero nagpaalam naman ako na I'll be out for 3 hours and a half para dun sa The Feast. So yung colleague ko mag-reliever sa akin. So pag may tumawag, ako yung accept ng call, pero tatawagan ko yung colleague ko. So, pero hopefully sana wala namang issue para hindi tayo makikisuyo dun sa colleague ko. Nakakaya naman, no? So, maganda yung The Feast community dito. So, LOJ. So, it's good to meet the Filipino community dito sa Perth. Around August last year kami nag-start umattend nung The Feast dito. So almost every other month merong activity. So maganda yon na at least naisasama namin yung si Tam at saka si Bella. So opportunity na rin to meet the Filipino community dito sa Perth. So magandang umattend kami dito sa The Feast, especially si My Loves kasi gusto niyang umattend siya before sa Philippines nung kay Bo Sanchez yung The Feast din sa Manila. So hinahanap niya yon, and luckily meron din pala dito sa Perth. Yung venue ngayon is dito sa 3B Community Center. So it's just about 15 kilometers away from our place. So malapit lang. So yung paalam ko sa work, 3 hours and a half ako mawawala. So anyway, may napakisuyuan naman akong colleague na kung may tumawag, i-accept ko yung call, pero I have to call him para siya yung mag-assist. And then yan, by 7 PM, so dapat anyway, kung may tumawag within 20 minutes makakabalik naman ako sa bahay para mag-support. So normally ganun ang isa sa mga duty ko sa work. So meron kaming almost monthly rotation. Kami yung on-call for the entire week. And kung may mga escalations off business hours, kami yung tinatawagan and kami yung kailangan mag-assist kasi off business hours yun and priority incidents.
Two hours later.
It's a cloudy day today. So finally, medyo mas maganda yung weather ngayon. And at the same time, it's Australia Day today. So hindi nga lang tayo labas ng malayo dito sa bahay kasi on-call support tayo ngayong weekend. So pwede naman kami lumabas pero dapat within the area lang kasi at any time pag may tumawag, pag mayroong mga escalation sa work, ako yung kailangan mag-support this weekend. So ito naman yung last day until tomorrow 8 AM. So hopefully it's a quiet day. And tulog pa rin naman sila Tam, si Bella. And subukan lang namin ni My Loves na tingnan kung ano yung big day breakfast dito sa Gosnells Council. So kami lang ni My Loves and silipin namin and kung may tumawag naman about on-call issues sa work, madali ako makabalik. And yun, ganun-ganun lang. Fourth Australian day ko na pala dito sa Perth. But for the longest time, hindi naman ako participate or celebrate. But this time, titingin-tingin kami ni My Labs kung ano yung mga pwedeng mapuntahan. Especially tomorrow and Monday. So, I think may mga celebrations pa rin tomorrow. And yan, silip-silip kami sa city, sa labas tomorrow. Para maging meaningful naman yung Australia Day nila My Labs. Kasi first Australia Day nila ngayon. First Australia Day ni My Labs dito. So, first stop namin dito sa Centennial Park. So, marami na siyang tao. So, normally kasi walang tao dito dahil yung mga shops opens up at 11 a.m. Pero dahil may celebration for Australia Day, ayan, may mga tao na dun. So, silipin lang natin. Puro breakfast. Ayan.
Yung mga stands din.
Yep. Face paint. Yata yung breakfast dito eh. Or you have to buy a raffle ticket. $8 breakfast. Pwede na. Yun na yung pinakamura dito sa Australia. So normally $15 eh. Ayan, marami rin tao dito sa Centennial Park. Meron din parang cordon. And ito yung inano namin, small plate for $8 each, and we get 2 raffle ticket.
So yeah, so she got out the house and but yeah, she was there, which is good.
So on different locations may mga kanya-kanyang ano siya,
Still got reflux.
celebration during Australia Day. So Australian. So normally ito yung meal ng Australian. So sausage, bread, beans, egg, and tomato. So di typical sa kanila yung rice. Although may mga rice, syempre.
The hard work and dedication of some of our most generous residents. But before
as the traditional owners of the land on which we meet, and we pay our would not be possible without generous support from the National Australia Day Council.
And we all have a story. You're part of our story.
Ang observation ko dito sa Australia, yung Australia Day is talaga sineselebrate. When compared kasi sa Pinas, ang counterpart nitong celebration na to is Independence Day. But it's a shame na I never celebrated Independence Day. And in fact, in most of the time pag Independence Day, nag-work ako kasi double pay. But I cannot remember na nag-celebrate ako once in my life ng Independence Day. Pero dito, kita mo, sineselebrate talaga. But let me know guys kung sa Pinas nagsa-celebrate kayo ng Independence Day. The most kasi is minsan pupunta ako pag may mga sales sa mall, pero I never celebrated or nag-participate ako ng Independence Day celebration sa Pinas. Funny. Merong mga parrot. hindi pala parrot. Owl. It's an owl. Ito, owl. First time makakita ng malapitan. Nakakita na pala ako, pero it's been a while.
It's not nice. Oh, we might not try him. He's being a bit jumpy right now.
So matatapos na rin naman yung event. So 8 a.m. to 11 lang siya. So pero marami pang place dito na nagse-celebrate ng Australia Day. So hindi nga lang kami makalabas kasi on call nga ako sa work. Pero yan, okay na rin. At least na-experience ni My Loves yung Australia Day celebration dito. So breakfast lang kami. So may big day breakfast na very simple lang, no? So siguro subsidized ng council government kaya medyo mura siya.